my channel. So this is going to be my 1 month update. I have finally come to 1 month with my hair. I'm so excited. So I just washed my hair and it is pretty much dry, I think. So I'm gonna take it down on camera while I give you this 1 month update. There's not really that much any difference compared to my 2 week update. Okay, so in my 2 week update, I told you guys about the smell of my hair and the fact that it's weird having long hair. Basically that's it. So this update, there's really not that much I have to update you guys on. Nothing has really changed. Like I haven't had any budding or anything like that. The only thing that has changed is that I have done one full interlocking session on my hair, and that video is already up, so you can go check that out, and I'll put the card either up here, I don't know. But yeah, so I already did my interlocking session for my whole entire head, which took almost a week. And yeah, so that was just long and drawn out. Really, I didn't expect it to take that long, but it's better. Some issues that I've been having with my hair so far is a lot of slippage. I do try to work out 3 or 4 times a week, and when I do, I sweat a lot in my head. And I've noticed that my hair in the front, especially my hair and my roots, especially in the front, is slipping pretty easily. So that's pretty annoying. So that's why I had to interlock my hair at 3 weeks instead of 4. So what I'm gonna try to do is braid and band, well, not braid and band, but braid my hair in at least probably 6 sections before I work out, and let my hair air dry from the sweat. Sounds nasty, but I will be spraying some of my like water mixture. This has the orange, grapefruit, lemongrass, and lemon oil in it. With, I think it has olive oil, a little bit of olive oil in it as well as a carrier, so that the smell can kind of linger. But I'll be adding that to my hair after I work out, and then letting that air dry in the braid so that I don't have any major slippage. I'll probably be braiding my hair kind of tight, tighter than when I would wash it, so that it really doesn't unravel at the roots. So I also, in my interlocking video, I was talking about how I wanted to go back and braid all the ends of my hair. And I didn't braid all the ends, I only braided this side of the ends. But I don't think I'm going to re-braid the whole entire, my whole entire head go back into my whole entire head and re-braid all the ends even further down, because it was just a lot of work and I really don't see the need to. Like, if I braid and band properly and I twist the ends, they're unraveling, yes, but they're not, they haven't been bunching up or anything like that, so I don't think it's gonna cause any problems in the long run. But comment down below if I should braid further down, because I don't know, like some of them are really loose. So the braid ends out here, and then the rest is a braid, a twist that kind of unravels. So I don't know. But yeah, other than that, I am starting to use this oil in my hair, especially because of the smell. It smells really nice, and the spray I made doesn't linger. It lasts maybe a day and a half. So, well, at least I notice it lasts a day and a half. It might last longer for another person, I don't know. Like, cause you know how you get used to your smell pretty quickly. Like even with perfume, I get used to my smell pretty quickly, but like it may last, or the smell might linger for someone else. But anyways, yeah, I'm starting to use that. I'm not putting it on my roots or anything to cause slippage, but I'm just putting it on the length of my hair. And it gives a nice sheen, and it gives a nice smell as well. One other update is that one of my locks, not the whole entire lock, but the end of the lock came out when I was interlocking. And again, if you see that video, you'll see it. I think it's like in the middle of the video. You'll see that it came out. It was a pretty long piece too. It was really random. I was like going back because I needed to do the whole entire lock over because it was like bunching or whatever. So I was like, oh, let me just redo this whole entire lock. And I tried to take it down, and the whole piece came off. So that was very interesting. But the lock is still there. It's just a little bit shorter, or thinner actually, because that piece gave it some thickness. So that's really it. I'll show you guys which lock it is after I'm done taking out these braids. So I'm trying to find that one lock, and I honestly can't remember which side of my head it was on. I thought it was this one. So this one is actually braided all the way down, or as far down as I can braid. It's not interlocked all the way down, it's just braided all the way down. I don't have any slippage from washing, so that is good. Oh, a little tangle. But I love post-wash day because my hair feels so fluffy. I also never wear it in a middle part because I just don't care for it on my face. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this oil. I don't take that much at all. Take like a quarter size. It gives it a really nice and fresh smell. It smells so good. I need to taste some more. So that is it for this update, and I'm going to give you guys a 360 of my hair now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment down below green smoothie, because I'm doing the green smoothie cleanse right now. So I can't really eat actual food. And I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye.